Let me be real with you. Everybody online is screaming about easy money, passive income, financial freedom. But I wanted to know the truth. So I actually did try 10 of the most popular side hustles for 21 days straight. Some gave me real results. Some completely wasted my time. And one was so shady I'd call a straight-up scam. So if you've ever wondered which side hustles are worth your energy in 2025, stick with me till the end, because what I discovered might save you weeks, if not months, of wasted effort. If you've been searching best side hustles 2025 or how to make money online with zero investment, this video is for you. I'm not just listing ideas like in my previous video. By the end, you'll know which side hustles are actually worth your time and which ones are just clickbait. So let's dive straight in. Number 1, Fiverr freelancing. I started with Fiverr. It sounds great. You list your skills and people pay you. But here's the reality. The competition is brutal. It took me days just to land one $10 gig. That said, Fiverr isn't bad at all. Though if you treat it like a marathon, you won't get instant money. But if you build reviews and focus on in-demand skills like copywriting, thumbnail design, or video editing, it can turn into serious income. Number 2, online tutoring. Then I tried online tutoring. I listed myself on websites like Cambly and also offer mathematics help in Facebook groups. Within a week, I had 2 students, both paid $10 for a 1-hour mathematics session on Zoom. That's $20 total in less than 10 days. So if you know your English, math, or even gaming, this can actually pay off fast. Number 3, affiliate marketing. Oh, this one actually did wonders. I signed up for a free affiliate program, promoted a product using TikTok clips, and within a week, I made about $30. It's not crazy money, I know, but it showed me that affiliate marketing works if you're consistent with content and focusing on products people genuinely want. Number 4, dropshipping. I decided to test dropshipping using a free trial store. At first, it sounded like the perfect quick money side hustle. You know, set up a store, pick some products, and watch the cash roll in. That's the dream they sell to you. But here's the reality. Within just a few days, I realized it's really not that simple. You need paid ads to drive traffic, reliable suppliers who don't vanish overnight, and constant customer service to deal with complaints or refunds. And that's all before you even see a dollar of profit. After 14 days of trying, I didn't earn a single dollar. Instead, I spent more time troubleshooting problems than actually making sales. So for beginners, I'd say dropshipping can be a serious time sink unless you're ready and willing to put money into ads and logistics upfront. Number 5, virtual assistant. I tried becoming a virtual assistant. I offered simple services like email management and scheduling through free platforms like Upwork and Facebook groups. In less than 2 weeks, I landed one small gig, $25 for organizing someone's inbox. It's not huge, but the demand for VAs is exploding. If you're reliable and organized, this can easily scale in a $500 to $1,000 per month. Number 6, online surveys. I actually had a feeling this would flop, but I gave it a shot anyway. I spent around 4 hours clicking through endless surveys, hoping to see at least some decent payout. The result? Just $2. That's less than minimum wage in almost any country, and on top of that, most surveys disqualified me halfway through because I didn't fit the target audience. Honestly, it felt more like they were just farming my data than paying me for my time. If you're serious about making money online, surveys aren't the way. The effort to reward ratio is terrible. Number 7, content writing. Now here's one that actually surprised me in a really good way. So I tested content writing on platforms like Upwork and even posted an article on Medium to see if it could give me traction. Within 14 days, I made $30. That might not sound life-changing, but here's the difference. Unlike surveys or dropshipping, this is a real skill-based side hustle. If you can write clearly, there's always someone willing to pay for it. And you know the best part? You don't need money to start, just your laptop or smartphone, some time, and a bit of consistency. With practice, that $30 could easily scale into hundreds per week. Number 8, digital products. Digital products honestly blew me away. I decided to create a simple Notion template. Nothing fancy, just something useful, and listed it online. To my surprise, people actually downloaded it. The beauty here is once you put in the initial work, it can turn into true passive income. Just create it once, and it keeps earning in the background while you focus on other things. If you have knowledge, tools, or even just creative ideas, packaging them into digital products is one of the smartest side hustles out there. The potential is limitless because the internet never sleeps. Number 9, TikTok reposting / compilation counts. I tested TikTok reposting because, let's face it, it looks like an easy growth hack. Just grab viral videos, re-upload them, and watch the views roll in. And yes, the views did come fast. But here's the problem. It's a house of cards. Copyright strikes can shut you down overnight, and you're building an audience on content you don't own. It's like renting a house where the landlord can evict you at any moment. So if you're serious about long-term income, this isn't the path at all. It's better to build your own original content and keep the control in your hands. Number 10, mystery app scam alert. One of the side hustles I tested turned out to be a straight-up scam. A make money fast app. It looked flashy, promised quick payouts, and even showed me fake earnings on the dashboard. But here's the catch. Before you can withdraw anything, they ask for a deposit. That's the oldest trick in the book. The minute you put money in, it's gone, and so are they. Please never fall for this. Real side hustles don't require you to pay before you can earn. If you see that red flag, walk away immediately. So after 21 days, here's the truth. Some side hustles do work like content writing, affiliate marketing, and digital products. Some are slow burners like virtual assistant, freelancing, and online tutoring. And some are a complete waste, surveys and apps. The clear winner? Affiliate marketing, fastest, easiest, and the highest return with zero upfront costs. But here's the catch. The real money is in scaling. Affiliate marketing can pay your bills, but building freelance or virtual assistant skills can turn into a full-time passive income. And the biggest lesson? Don't chase shiny objects. Pick one side hustle, stick with it, and give it time. So, which of these side hustles would you actually try? Let me know in the comments. And if you found this helpful, make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell, because my next videos will be exposing the top 10 side hustles that are a complete waste of time in 2025 and money habits that keep you broke. And trust me, you don't want to miss out on them.